All right, guys, got about 50,000 miles on the vehicle. I think it's time to change the shocks. Really getting some road noise, or not even road noise, but noise overall from the suspension. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to mimic the sound. It was progressively getting worse the last few months, and I think they're pretty much bone dry now. So I'm gonna hop on this. And it's mostly happening on the driver's side. It's either one of the bearings, or overall, I think at 50,000, it's time to rebuild these shocks. I'm gonna go ahead and take it into a shop tomorrow to get it diagnosed, and I'll tell you the cost and the time frame and everything like that. I think, yeah, overall, based off of what I'm hearing and seeing, it probably is gonna be the shocks. All right, what a morning it's been so far. So gonna summarize what happened this morning. I went ahead and took the car to Shock Surplus in Irwindale. My buddy recommended this place for a King's rebuild, and they have a really long lead time, but at least I got some information for something I'm gonna do in the near future. So I had this guy Jeff, which my buddy recommended, to take a look at the vehicle, and we found out that a lower control arm bearings, so they are going out. Told me to take a look at that. We're gonna take the first step, of course, is to probably swap that out or lubricate it. We'll go one way or the other, kind of take baby steps from there. But I want to give you an idea of the current lead time for a King's rebuild. So their wait time is actually 3 weeks for a rebuild, but they're able to kind of schedule you in. So this is my daily driver. I don't have time to have my car sitting at the shop for 3 weeks. I need to drive this. So they gave me an option. I can either do a same-day service where I take it in. They will charge me $1,400 to take out my Kings, $800 to rebuild the Kings and put it back on the same day. So that's nice if you have the money and you want to do it the same day and get it done. But unfortunately, that's not really realistic for me as far as time frame, and I think that I can basically do it myself with my crew. So what you can do is make an appointment from 3 weeks from now, and you basically take off your Kings yourself. You take it into the shop, you pay the $800 for the rebuild, which is actually up from, I think 2 years ago my buddy paid $500. So inflation and all that stuff made it $800, but they will do it the same day, and you can kind of install it back yourself, do your alignment and all that good stuff. But that's kind of the time frame of what a King's rebuild will take. I currently have 50,000 miles. Realistically, I can probably drive another 30,000 miles. I'll kind of monitor it and see how the ride drives. But I really don't think I need a rebuild as of right now. It's not critical, except that really loud squeaking noise. So later on today, I'm gonna go ahead and grease all the joints, and especially try to get some WD-40 inside the bearings, and let's see if I can eliminate that noise. So I'll give you an update in a bit. All right, so I'm gonna get WD-40, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it right here where the lower control arm connects to the King's suspension. Basically gonna hit that bearing. I heard that is something that might fix this squeaking noise. So let's go ahead and shoot it. All right, just let that sit in a bit, and then hopefully no more squeak. Okay. All right, let's see if I can mimic that sound again. There you go. No more sound. Perfect. So give that a shot before you guys rebuild your suspension.